Want to know how to follow a company or an organization that is hiring or recommending jobs? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So we have also created similar videos about wellfound, so make sure to watch it. So once you're here, you should be on this interface right here by default, and on the left side you should be seeing jobs, just like that. Now once I select the jobs, here you can just simply scroll a little bit down, and here you should be seeing job recommendations. As you can just simply scroll down, and now since we want to follow any company, let's say I want to follow this company or this organization right here, so you can just simply select that, or select the name for more information. And here, as you can see, you should be seeing various overviews of the jobs. Here on the right side you should be seeing follow, that should be right beside here, so you can just simply select that. And now once I've selected it, the company you viewed will be following by you, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.